where current of, okay, of and for update class. So here, what is the use of this where current of? The last class, if you want to update any record in our table, what happened? So it will update at the each and every record without writing any where condition. Okay, suppose if you don't want to write any where class, it will be updated for every record. The mechanism is going to repeat it for every record. Okay, but here what happens means I want to update a particular record when I am going to use the where class. Okay, so here let it be, we check it what happened in this one. So generally here when we are using update delete statements, automatically logs are generated in the database. If you want to do any DML operations, not insertion, okay, if you do any updation or deletion, automatically the database is going to generate the log mechanism, means logs are created. Okay, then here if you want to generate logs before update, we want to generate the logs before update and delete statements, then we are using cursor locking mechanism. Cursor locking mechanism. Okay, system is also having, database is also having the one mechanism, locking mechanism. The same manner cursor is also having the locking mechanism. In this case we must specify for update class. For update class in cursor definition. Okay, let it be, we can check it what happened while going to define this one. So here we have a for update and also here we have a sum. If you are specifying for update class, also Oracle server does not generate the log. If you are specifying for update class in our means cursor, Oracle server does not generate the logs. Oracle server does not generate any log system. Here whenever we are opening the cursor, then only Oracle server internally uses exclusive logs. Means it's not internal logs, exclusive logs. Here after processing we must release the logs using commit statement. Okay, we create the logs, right? So the cursor is create the logging mechanism in our database. We want to release that logs. Why? Because suppose if you will not release the logs, another person, means another end user also going to work with the same table, then it is not reflected. Because of still the mechanism is running, the logging mechanism is open. So and here where current of class uniquely identify a record in each process, because where current of class internally uses row ID. So how the system is going to identify each and every record uniquely while using row ID? Because of row ID is a unique one for every record. Okay, that use of that row ID is going to update at each and every record. Okay, and whenever we are using where current of class, we must use for update class in our cursor. Suppose you want to use the where current of class in our program, you must specify the for update class in our cursor. Okay, let it be, we can check it how we can do it. Suppose without using for update, with using for update, what happened? Okay, first I want to set the environment variable. Okay, now our SQL prompt is giving the proper output. Okay, now we want to work with the cursor update. Here observe this one. Before going to work with that cursor update, first we are going to create our own table. So we don't want to apply the respected condition on our existing EMP table. We want to create a new table, and we are going to checking while going to update a one record based on one condition. So what happened? If it is working properly, then we can go to if it is not working properly, then we can go to use the for update class. The last class also we updated, right? But each and every condition we want to specify the where employee number equal to cursor dot employee number, right? Then I want to create a table. Cursor update. Okay. So as better to go for this one, not a problem. EMP99 as select problem. So this is our actual table. Okay. Now I am using EMP99 table in my program. Okay. What is my condition is I want to update clerk employee information. I want to update clerk employee salary information. I want to add 1000 rupees per who are working with the clerk designation, right? Then now we want to develop a program, means a simple program. First we declare, then now we open the cursor. Cursor name is select star from EMP99. Okay, I want to get the data from EMP99 and will be keep into the our cursor. The next what we do, we want to define we can go for begin and will be open the cursor. Okay, open C1, then next we start the loop and next fetch the data, fetch C1 into I. So here we need to define the I variable. EMP99 percentage row type, right? So once we fetching the data, now we want to apply the condition. What is the condition? If I dot, the entire data is available in I variable. Okay, I dot job equal to clerk. Then I want to update the data. Update employee and set salary equal to I dot sal plus 1000 rupees. Okay, I don't want to write any condition. In the actually here I want to update the salary who are working with clerk. Okay, then next finally end it. The next we close the loop and close the cursor. Okay, finally we end it. Let it be check it. What happened? Now we apply the condition. If job equal to I dot job equal to clerk. Then update emp 99 set salary equal to I dot sal plus 1000. Next end if and end loop close C1 and end. Now it is completed successful. So now we execute the table MP99. So here, which is the last employee is the clerk. Then automatically, what is the here? Observe this one, 2300. Okay, 2300 will be reflected to the all employees. But the condition is only we want to update the clerk. Then here, observe this one. What is the last one? Last designation here? Clerk. The clerk salary is 1300. The respected conditions is applicable on the last record, but it will be reflected for every record. Every record. Say example. Now I want to roll back. Okay. Then let it be check it. The entire data is come back. Okay. Again I am going to execute the same program. Again I am going to execute the same program, but in this program here I can change it to manager. It's a very important topic, please keep in one mind. Manager, it is updated. Okay, let it be check it. So what happened? The select store from EMP99. So here you can check it the table. So here observe this one. What is the manager? In this record, okay, this is the 14 records, right? In this 14 records, what is the last record? Means last record it is a clerk. But what is our condition? Manager. Then observe this one. What is the last record of the manager in this 14 records? Means this is the last record of the manager. Okay. What is that updation? Means what is the salary? 2975, right? So we added 1000 rupees for that employee. Actually we want to add the 1000 rupees for who are having the managers designation. But here it considered the last record of the table and it will be updated for every record. It is not follow my condition, right? The program does not follow our condition. It is means automatically updated for every record. So who are having either manager or salesman, any person, it will be updated for 1000 rupees. It is not suitable for our requirement, right? So how we can go to handle this one? So for that purpose, we want to use the for update class. So this same scenario, the last class, how we can handle? Yes. No. Here, observe this one. Again, I can write it, roll back. This is the actual data. So now, but last class, how we can handle this? We write a where condition. We write a where condition, right? Here, how we can write it? Where EMP number equal to I dot EMP number. Here it is checking clearly whether the employee is clerk or not. This is the employee number. There is the employee number is coming from our cursor. It is going to match and we will be checking the condition. The respected employee number is going to match whether the job is manager or not. If the respected condition, entire the condition is satisfied, then only the condition is applicable. Means our condition is applicable. Then let it be check it. What happened? Observe this one. The manager data. Manager data absolutely updated. If you miss the where condition, it is not updated, right? But if in case interview point of they're asking what is the use of where update, where current of or for update class. So here if you write the where class, then system automatically updated for the particular condition. If you not writing the any condition, then what happen? So how we can go to achieve that? So for that purpose we can go for where current of class. All of you clear on that? So why we want to go for where current of? So here in this point of time I don't want to write the where condition in my condition. Okay, where class here. Okay, I don't want to write this one. Without writing this one, how we can handle our requirement? Okay, then here again I can write it, roll back. Okay, then now return back to our table. Clear on that? Okay, then now here observe this one. Here where current of, I don't want to specify the condition. I don't want to specify the condition here. Suppose the earlier program we specify clearly where employee number equal to cursor dot employee number, but I don't want to write that condition. Suppose I don't have any columns which is going to apply the condition. So how we can go to do that? Then we can go for where current of. Where current of cursor. Okay, then and also we have, whenever we are going to apply the where current of, what happen? Observe this one. Okay, suppose I want to directly, sorry, I want to directly write this one, where current of cursor, where current of cursor. Okay, let it be what happen. Whenever you are using this where current of class, we must specify the for update in our cursor level. Means we need to specify the for update class here. Cursor C1 must be declared with for update to use with current of. Where is a common, current of is a syntax here. Okay, current of is a syntax, the logic. So whenever we are using the current of, we must specify the for update in our cursor level. Then okay, then now here I want to update. We clearly tell to the machine where we want to update. We want to update the data directly in my cursor. Automatically it will be reflected in my database. So here, have you understand this mechanism? Here, observe this one. Now I am going to write it for update. It is completed, right? Observe this one. I didn't write my commit statement in my program. Let it be check it. Just I'm checking in my another session. Okay, sorry. Select star from 9. Okay, just I am write it update emp 99 set salary equal to salary plus 2000 where job equal to manager. What happened? It is not allowed. Keep on waiting in end of the day also, it is not shows. Even though you can close and will be open another session, you can check it whether updated or not. Because of he is locked. Already the first end user is locked the transactions. All of you clear or not? Okay, then here we can't do anything. You can't do anything. So let it be. Now the person is going to sorry, 1 second. So this is a common one, okay, and now I am going to commit is there. So observe this one. When I roll back, automatically updated this one. When I roll back in my first session, it is automatically updated. Means my mechanism is release that one. All of you clear? So that is the use of that. Here it is not updated. Again it is going to update it on that. Right? Then let it be. Now I want to close this one. So keep on, it is waiting for that. So coinciding. The respected data is taking coincide data. Means same. Both are going to do the same updation. It will be waiting. So here observe this one. Here our locking mechanism is reflected. There means who's locked that? Oracle. Exactly. Oracle server is going to do the locking mechanism. Both are coincide. That is the reason it is stuck up. Okay. So that is the main reason. Here it is waiting for that. It is taking some time. Okay. So again, there we are going to so it is not applicable for rollback, I thought. Yes, rollback does not possible to applicable. Because of rollback is applicable for within the session only. Commit is applicable for every session. Rollback does not. So, okay. So earlier we suddenly close the program. Before that we can apply the rollback. It will be going to close. So that is the reason. Okay. So okay, not a problem. So this is the way we want to use the for update class. All of you clear? Okay. So it is waiting for not responding.